Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Effiong, an award-winning data scientist, software developer and programmer. It's good to have you here once again. In today's class, we want to look at how to clean data in Excel. It is very important to clean your data in Excel. Data cleaning can be defined as the process of identifying and correcting data anomalies. Anomalies in data can include duplicates, multiple spacing, illegal characters, unorganized data, and so on and so forth. So we'll be moving to the work environment to begin the class proper. Before doing that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button so that we can offer you quality tech videos to grow in the tech ecosystem. Thank you for doing that. Now let's proceed to the work environment to start the class proper. Welcome to the work environment. We are given 3 tasks to do in different sheets, worksheets. So we'll be starting with task 1. We have a sample employee data, and we are tasked to clean the employee data to remove unnecessary spaces. Unnecessary spaces can also be an anomaly in your data set. So to get the proper analysis results, we have to clean the data, remove these unwanted unnecessary spaces, and get the best possible results when we analyze the data. That is the essence of cleaning data in data analysis. You have to clean the data so that the analysis will produce the best possible results. Now we're going to use a function to clean this data for task 1. The function is called trim and clean. That is like a 2-in-1, trim and clean. So it will trim to remove unwanted necessary spaces, and if there are any other hidden errors or non-printable characters too, the clean function can take care of that. So we click on this empty cell. This is cell G5, and I enter the equality sign equal to, I key in the word trim. It's not case sensitive. We open a bracket and also enter clean. Open another bracket, you enter the range. The first data for the employee starts from F5, that is John Doe. So F5 colon for indicating the range to F7. So this is a formula equal to computer trim and clean the data from F5 to F7. Once that is done, you close the bracket. I open 2 brackets, so I must close the other one. So 2 brackets open, corresponding 2 brackets close. Then you hit your enter button, the keyboard, and it has cleaned and rearranged the data in an organized manner. So you can see there's no more spaces between the names for the employee. That is for task 1. Let's head to the next sheet to carry out task 2. So for task 2, we have another sample employee data set, and we are told to clean the employee data and remove duplicate entries. Duplicate entries, also known as repetition. So how do we achieve that? The first step is to highlight the data from the first record, which is John, up to the last one, Mary. Then we go to our menu and key in the command for duplicate data is in our menu. So let's go to menu, the data menu. So this is the data menu, and we'll come to the area labeled data tools. This is data tools, irrespective of the version you're using in Excel. You click on the data menu, come to data tools. I think this icon here is for removing duplicate data. So you click on the icon, and it's going to prompt you with 2 options. Do you want to expand the selection? In case maybe you are working with multiple columns that you suspect duplicate data, you can choose this option to expand the selection. But I just highlighted only the column for employee name. So I will select continue with the current selection, and click on remove duplicates. And it's going to still prompt me this: are you sure you want to remove from these employee columns? I click on OK. And 2 duplicate values were found and removed. So we now have 3 unique values. So I click on OK, and that is it. So the duplicates for John and Mary have been removed. That is how we remove duplicate entries or data during cleaning. So this is part of cleaning the data. And let's move to the last task. The last task is very interesting. We'll look at the case. This data is not properly cased, is not properly standardized, so we have to clean it. And this time we are going to use a tool called proper. The proper function is for standardizing the case. So it's very interesting. So we click here, enter the equality sign, and key in the tool proper, the function. Open a bracket, and enter the range. The first record is from F5 up to F7, and we'll close the bracket. So this formula simply means computer scan this range and standardize the casing so that everything will look standard, not like how it is now that it's looking, the standard is very, very poor. So having done that, you hit the enter key on the keyboard. So I do that, and it has standardized it. So you can see John Doe, Mary James, and Peter Johnson, well written, unlike how it was before in the employee column. It's been a pleasure to share knowledge with you, my wonderful viewers. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more quality tech videos to grow in the tech ecosystem. I'll be very glad to see you in the next class. I remain Mr. Effiong, and bye.